What's up guys, today we're talking about the controversial Apple AirPods, a lookalike or imitation in the market, plus unboxing the OEM AirPods. Is it worth buying? Let's find out. My name is Milton, welcome to Spoony Bay. Alright guys, we're gonna take a look at this. We're gonna open this right now. Let's see, I'm pretty excited and whoa, look at this. Okay, I think all this doesn't look like Apple product, but okay, it's in Chinese. And this is the AirPods. Is it supposed to be that small? Let's see what's inside. Okay, it does have a cable. Nothing much. It's with wireless charging case. Okay, let's get out of the way. Okay, this is it. Let's peel it off. Okay, look alike. Alright, it's sticking out. Okay. First look, it's designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. So it's like the original. Let's look at it. Oh, lights come on. And wow, look at this. I can see a defect already, look. There's a shape that's not good together. Okay, let's look at this one. I mean, the weight is not bad. It's, yeah. You can see right away that this is not the legit one. But just like up, everything looks solid. I think they're hanging here. Okay. So the good thing about this is the build quality is pretty decent. I wouldn't say it's easy pairing because there's some flaws pairing. Android compatible, and it's definitely affordable. So for those people that really want AirPods but just cannot afford it, then there we go, you can just get it. It's I would say about 100 plus ringgit give and take. And yeah, the quality wise, it's decent. I wouldn't say it's perfect. As you can see, the molding, there's some problem here. You can see that? And same thing with this one. Well, this one looks a little bit better. So you definitely can see this is a knockoff immediately. And the con side right now is poor bass quality. So if you guys are talking about like a really high bass music, then this is not for you. But for decent just talk and having just a phone call or anything, everyday usage, it's not bad. So, and the other flaws is inconsistent battery info. So sometimes you can see that it's 90% and it will back to like 70%. So maybe it's a software issue or something that needs to be updated. I'm not sure. And last but not least is you can't customize on this. There's no customize on the iPhone. And yeah, so overall, it's for my take, I give it 6.5 out of 10. If you ask me if I would buy it, personally, I would definitely buy it because it's cheap, it's affordable. And for those that music lover, I wouldn't recommend it. Alright, thank you guys. If you guys want me to compare this with another video, another device such as the real AirPods, just leave a link below. What's up guys? Today we'll be talking...
No, not yet. So we are just rolling the cameras, and then when I say action, you just go ahead.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah,
that's better.
Is it better?
Wait.
Okay. All right.
Is it better? Eugene, is it better?
Yeah, I think it's good. Oh yeah, it looks like you are perfectly looking at the camera. All right, 3, 2, 1, action.